It's election day in the US, so I decided I'm gonna do a microwave special for it. Today I'm gonna do this bottle that looks kind of like a microphone. I don't know if you can see it, but it definitely looks like a microphone, which is what the politicians use to spew their crap that nobody believes anyway. And if you remember, this is Ellen the microwave. And so I'm gonna stick my microphone inside of her. Something that should be quite enjoyable for the both of us. And I'm gonna give this a few minutes and hope it's really cold. I'm gonna give this thing 8 minutes. That was awesome! But where's the bottle? I don't believe it. The bottle shot all the way here from here. Now I've seen things launch a lot further than that before, but never a little plastic bottle like that. But this has to be one of the coolest surprise experiments I've had. I didn't even think it would blow the door open, let alone launch like that. In fact, I was afraid it might be a dud. This was no dud. This is definitely one of the highlights of season 12 so far. Anyways, as awesome as this was, I'm going to declare this a dangerous idea because anything that bumps a door open by default is at the very least unsafe. But launching that little bottle all that distance at probably a great speed considering the microwave sits low to the ground, that pushes it into dangerous territory. You really don't want to do this at home.